Sir, 80 centimeters square.
80 centimeter of which one? The purple one, the blue one, or the full?
The blue one.
What I said, blue one. So how did you find the area of the blue one?
Sir, by multiplying them.
No, no, no. I'll explain this question to you. You have this figure, right?
Yes.
And inside we have another rectangle. What are the dimensions of 24 and 28? So 24 centimeter, 28 centimeter. We have another one inside which is 16 and 20. 16, 20. Correct? Like join like this. First, find the area of the smaller one. Area of this is first, or let's say the smaller rectangle. So area of smaller rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Bache? Very simple. So that is length is 16 and breadth is 20. So that is 320 centimeter square. Okay.
Okay.
Now area of larger one. Area of larger rectangle. Area of larger rectangle. That is 24 and 28. So that is length into breadth. So 24 into 28. 24 into 28 is how much? 22, 8 to the 16, 19, 84. So that is 672. So which is that is 672 centimeters square. This is the area of the larger one. Got it? Now area area of this outer part. Area of outer part, that is area of larger triangle minus area of smaller triangle, right Aisha? If I see, I'll explain this concept to you.
Okay, sir.
Smaller triangle. Why? Because see, total area में से this is the total area. This was the total area, right? If I have, if I subtract the area of this part, now see how much is the pink part left, the outer part, right? So smaller, larger triangle area minus the smaller triangle area, we'll get the this part. We'll get the area of this part. Okay, इसका area निकल जाएगा. So area of larger one was how much? 672 minus area of smaller one was 320. If you subtract it, which is this would come out as 253. 352 centimeters square is the area of the outer part. Got it, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want you to note this down.
Done, sir.
Done, Ayesha?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ayesha, we are going to start with solid shapes.
Sorry, sir, what?
We are going to now start with 3D shapes, okay? 3D
Okay.
shapes. Okay, Ayesha. So, see, we have Ayesha some 3D shapes. They are cuboid, cylinder, cone, cube, pyramid, वगैरह. Let's start with the very basic, that is a cuboid. First is a cuboid. But let's start with the cube first. Cube. Aisha, what is a cube? But a cube is nothing but a 3D. But a cube is nothing but a 3D square. A square which is 3D. Aisha, imagine this to be hollow. Like this is hollow. You can see through it. Okay. So I'll highlight the faces. But in actual, if you look at from, if you like, let me tell you, Aisha, have you seen a Rubik's cube? As I've already taught you what is a cube, right? In cubes and cube root chapter. Aisha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, but in real, this would look like. Wait, I'll draw another one. In reality, if you look at a cube, it would look like this. Okay, this is how a cube looks like, kind of. Okay, Aisha, like you must have seen a Rubik's cube, है ना?
Okay.
Now about a yes, Aisha.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Now see, in a cube there are faces. There are faces. First, there are some things. First of all, let's talk about faces. Faces. But what is faces? Faces is this part.
Yes, sir.
Faces is this part. This
Okay.
part, which you can see. So here, how? So in a cube, how many faces do we have?
6.
6. Very good. In a cube, there are 6 faces. Okay, and this is same for cuboid also. The faces, vertices, which I'm going to tell you about. So 6 faces. Okay. So this is a face. 6
Okay.
faces. Faces are 6. Actually, if I talk about what vertices, first let's talk about edge. But edge is this.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, but there are more than 8 edges. I'll tell you why. This is the edge, right? These are edges. Like you must have seen edges of a table. Okay, so this is also an edge. 2 edges, 3 edges,
Oh,
4 edges. Okay, 5, 6,
12.
yes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges in a cube. Edges is 12. Edges is 12. Now let's talk about the vertices. Which vertices are this?
8.
Yes, 8. These are the vertices.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Vertices are 8. 8. Okay, so this is about a cube. Now, Aisha, all this same goes for cuboid as well. Okay, I'll simultaneously write cuboid here. Cuboid. Aisha, you write first cube and then cuboid in the next page. Okay, like this. So cuboid, same faces. First of all, how does a cuboid look? But a cuboid is a 3D rectangle. Like cube is a 3D square, cuboid is a 3D rectangle. So it looks like this. Okay, but what's the difference? You say, ask sir, what's the difference? But here, all the lengths are equal. I'll tell you what I'm trying to say about. Here, all the edges are equal, but here, all the edges are not equal. Okay, so in a cube, they are known as. First of all, again, let's talk about faces. Faces 12. Oh, sorry, faces 6, edges 12, vertices 6, 8. Sorry, 8. Okay, now in a cube, but in a cube, there are 3 dimensions. Like in a square, there are 2 dimensions, right? This x-axis s and this y-axis s, basically that. Okay, but in a cube there are 3. First, if I talk about cuboid से अच्छे समझ आएगा. Like in a rectangle, there was length and breadth, right? In a rectangle, there was length and breadth. Here, बच्चे, we have another dimension, that is height. So we have this length here. We have this breadth here. We have this height here. Okay,
Yeah.
length,
Okay.
breadth, and height. Length, breadth, and height. So now here, but all three are same, so we call it S, or we call it A, which A is the side. A, A, A. Got it? Here, all the
Yes,
3 dimensions are equal. Now, bache, if I talk about the, acha, okay, fine. First of all, tell me, is this much clear?
yes, sir, that was great.
I shall write this much down. I'll then tell you next. Okay.
Okay. The
Okay, Aisha. Now see, but there is something very important now which I'm going to tell you. Some new things coming here, that is surface area and volume. Two things we are going to talk about now, that is surface area and volume. Till now you know perimeter and area, right? Now something new is being introduced, that is surface area and volume. But see, what is surface area and how is it different from normal area? I'll tell you that. I'll compare a rectangle and a cuboid, and you will know what is. I'll compare a square and a cube. You know what's area and surface area. If I talk about a square, I have a square. The side is side. This is also side. So perimeter we know that is 4s, and area we know that is s square, right? Aisha, if I name it a, so in this case, this would be square. See, if I name it a, this is also a. So perimeter is equal to 4a and area is equal to a square, right, Aisha?
yes, sir.
Now, if I talk about a cube, but a cube is nothing but six squares kept on each other or beside each other. Okay, how? So now, bache, what is surface area? Surface area means area of all the squares. I'll give you an example by a real thing. Aisha, you can see the box in my hand. This is actually a cuboid.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now this cuboid, Aisha, surface area means this area of this side plus 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 area of upper side plus area of lower side. Means everything that is covering. Suppose I have to take a wrapping sheet, okay, and wrap it around it, full cover it. Okay, so how much area I'd be covering with the wrapping sheet, that is known as surface area. Is this clear, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Let's say I have this bottle in my hand. This water bottle, the purple part, the see, this is hollow from inside. This is a water bottle. This purple part, bache, the plastic material that has been used, that is known as surface area. Let me tell you what is volume. Which volume is how much water I can fill in it. So inside, how much it can hold. That is volume. Okay, I have this
Okay.
box. How much can this box hold inside it? Everything. Let's say, suppose I am filling it with something. Okay, so how much quantity it can hold, that is known as volume. Is this clear? What is volume and what is surface area? The concept is totally clear. Yes, Aisha, any doubts in any concept? You can tell me, bache, which concept you are understanding. If you want me to repeat all of it.
No, sir, it's clear. All of them are clear.
Okay, good. Now, how to find out the surface area of a cube? Which is surface area cube formula? Surface area is this side area plus this side area plus this side area. So area of all the sides added. So therefore, surface area of a cube, or we can say total surface area. Now I'll explain what is total surface area. We just total surface area is what I just told you. Total surface area of a cube, that is area of face 1. So let's name it face 1. I shall let's say that this is face 1.
Okay.
Okay. So see, only look at this face. Now this is a square, right? We know that this is a square. Why? Because it has this is a, this is a, and this is also a. Means if this is a, so this would also be a, right? So Aisha, this is a and a. So this is a
Yes.
square, right? What is it? What
Yes.
would be the area of this square?
So what?
What would be the area of this square? Only the square area, normal area.
S into S.
Yeah, basically a into a, that is a square. Got it, Aisha? So area of first face, first face, area of face
Oh,
one, I can say. Area of face one, that is, see area of face one. See Aisha, so area of face one is coming. Area of face one is a square. Got it, Aisha?
yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Now see, let's see area of second face. But see, if you look at this square, this is the square, right? What would be the area of this square, Aisha?
Sorry, sir. What?
Is what would be the area of this square?
Oh, S S into
Correct.
S.
Yes, again,
Yes.
basically a into a, so that is a square. So face 2 is also a square. So you must have got an idea that every face area is coming a square, right?
Yes.
Yes, how many faces are there?
Uh, 6.
6. So area of face 1 plus area of face 2, face 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4. You write it full, area of face 4. I'm just writing short form. Plus area of 5 plus area of 6. Every face is what? A square. So this is a square plus 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 a square. So that is 6a square. 6a square. But say that is the total surface area formula. Total surface
Surface area.
area of a cube. This is very important. Whatever I am doing in a works, na formulas. Okay, and I'm taking them. You need to write them in your formula sheet. Also memorize them. Okay, Aisha?
Okay.
Totally clear? Total surface area of a cube.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's talk about the volume.
Okay.
Volume. Volume. What's the volume of the cube? See, this is A. This is A. This is also A. So see, for area, volume is like जो इसमें area, the value area holds in a square. Same value volume holds in a this. Basically, area is inside part. So area here was A into A. That is A square. So volume would be A into A into A. Multiply all the three dimensions, you will get the volume. That is A cube. That is why cube. Remember again, coming back to the chapter cube and cube roots, I explained why we call A raised to the power 3 A cube. Remember,
Yes,
I
sir.
share
I
everything.
remember.
Okay. So volume formula is V is equal to, I read it properly. Volume of a cube is equal to a cube. Clear, Aisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any
Okay.
doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, Aisha, one more thing. There is also another thing known as lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. You'll say, sir, what it is? Aisha, let's suppose your room is rectangular, right? Your room is rectangular. You have to,
Yes,
or
sir.
like square. Okay. You have to paint your
Okay.
room. Okay. And let's say that, of course, the ceiling is always white and you don't paint the floor. Okay. So let's say the ceiling is already had been painted white. Okay. You have to paint your room blue, in blue color. Okay. You have to paint your room in blue color. Now, would you also paint the floor and the ceiling, or would you only paint the four walls which are there?
4 ball.
Four walls, right? Very simple, very logical. We only will paint the four walls. Okay, so basically, if I look at the structure of a cube, let's say there's a cuboidal room.
Can you give me 1 minute? I will
Sure,
back.
sure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aisha. Lateral surface area. Yeah, I was saying, what should I see? This is the uh,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes, Aisha. I'm drawing it. See, but for lateral surface area, we only need to paint the four walls. So we only need the surface area of the four walls. That is this wall, this. So that is this wall. Okay, that was this wall. That is the previous wall. The back walls, the two back walls. So basically, four walls area we need, right? We need the area of the four walls. So, which area of four? So, like when the faces were six, in total surface area, the area was 6 square. So, what would be the area in the case of four walls, Aisha?
Sorry, sir. What?
See, when the faces were six, total surface
Okay.
area, top, front, back, left, right, top, bottom. Okay, six faces we
Yes.
had. So 6 square. Now only we have front, back, left, right. How four faces? What would be the area? Surface area? This is
Okay.
very logical, very easy. I'm asking, bache, I'm asking you, what should be the area? Listen to me very carefully. Front, back, left, right, top, bottom.
Okay.
That is what we covered in a total surface area, right?
Okay.
Full. This cuboid, full, top, bottom, left, right, front, and back, right?
Okay.
Okay, so the six faces area was 6 square because every face was a square. So six faces means 6 square. Very simple.
Yes.
Now for lateral surface area, we only cover front, back, left, right. Only four faces. What should be the lateral surface area?
I cannot get it, sir.
I can feel it. Maybe I'll draw it now. You will understand in a minute. And you'll be like, oh sir, this was very easy. Why was I not able to get it? See. But just six faces area was 6 square. Six faces area was 6 square. Okay. So what would be the area of four faces? Every face is a square. So two faces means 2a square. Three faces means 3a square. So four faces means 4a square. Simple?
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes.
Are you getting my point, Aisha? Dekho. We in a lateral surface area, na?
Hmm?
We only need the four side ones. Okay, we only need the four side ones. Wait, okay, we only need the four side ones. So this is face one. So we only need the first. This is like this one, this face. Okay, we only need this face. We need this face. We need the back faces, and we
Mm-hmm.
need this face. Okay, we don't
Mm-hmm.
need. I'll highlight what we don't need. We don't need this top, and we don't even need this bottom. Rest everything we need. Okay.
Okay.
So, Aisha, I'm saying area of one face, like area of one face. देखो, इसमें area of one face is one face is a square. Okay, area of one face is a square. Area of one face is a square. So what would be the area of four faces? चार face का कितना area होगा?
4 square.
Now get it?
Yes.
Four faces, that is just lateral. Lateral means on the sides. Okay, so front, back in my room. front wall, back wall, left wall, right wall, all their total area is given by the formula 4a square. And but this is what we call lateral surface area, where we don't include the top and the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but the lateral surface area would also come in cuboid and cylinder. Okay, so we'll discuss it then. Abhi ke liye you only need this much. So lateral surface area is lateral surface area. Now you will ever forget this?
No.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Equal to 4a square. Okay. Aisha, note this down, Bachcha. From here you have to note it down. Note it down. This
Okay.
understanding of this concept is very important. Very important. I'm repeating,
Okay.
because if you understand cube, then only you will understand cuboid. Okay.
Okay. Done.
Okay, I shall now write this.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay, I shall now write this.
Done.
Okay, Aisha. So, but you now we'll be continuing with cuboids in the next class. Okay, first I'll tell you all the formulas, and then we'll be moving on to the questions. Okay, I guess by the next class I'll be telling you cuboid and cylinder formulas, and then in the next class after that we will be